Hi everyone, this is EC Technist, and today you are going to know about how engineering projects work. From the ideation stage to VTU submission, we'll know how you can complete your project. The first step would be to understand what you want to solve and the area of interest and try to solve a real world problem. The next step would be to build a team, gather 4 of your team members or 3 of them, and start researching on projects. The first thing you have to do is find the market. What is the current trend in the market? What projects are they working on? Use platforms like Google Scholar, IEEE Explorer, and ResearchGate. Many researchers would have put their project, and you can know like what they are currently working on, and try to get the last 3 to 5 years of relevance papers. That will help you a lot. The second thing would be to understand the abstract of the paper. This will help you to understand what is there in the paper and what can you expect from the paper. The outcome. The outcome is very important. You have to see what have they achieved. What has the researcher achieved through the research. The problem and solution analysis. You begin with identifying the problem, then you analyze the approach, the methodology on how the problem is working. Then you judge whether this project will be research will be helpful for my project or not. Ideating innovation. Also, when you read a research paper, you will get to know what the current market or the project is working on, and you can think of what existing or new changes you can make to the project to make it better, efficient, like that. Then the skill requirement. To make a project, you might require a few programming languages or a hardware requirements. You have to understand what are the requirements and then upskilling. Now that you know what skill is required, you can learn these skills from various websites like Udemy, Coursera, NPTEL, etc. Then, if your project is a hardware project, you need to understand how the hardware components work and how the mechanism in them work. Then, after you have done all this, you will present the first synopsis submission. This will be done to your guide, and if your project is noteworthy or it can make an industry impact, definitely your project guides will approve the project. Let us see how the projects are divided. Timeline and evaluation. Mini project will be in your 5th semester. It will be around 2 to 2.5 months. The interview evaluation will happen by a college professor. External evaluation will happen by an internal examiner itself from your college. For major project 6th and 7th semester, it will be of 7 to 9 months. Your college professor will be the internal evaluator. External evaluator will be the external examiner. The project report. It is very important. It is as much as important as the project, because this is what fetches you the marks. The external evaluator will see how you present as well as how your report is done. So your report must have an official certification of completion, which will be signed by the head of the department as well as the principal of the college. The contents that has to be present in the project report are abstract, introduction, literature survey, methodology, results and discussion, advantages and application, conclusion, and references. References is very important. It has to be in standard IEEE format. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you.